With the United States reaching an all-time high of $1 trillion in credit card debt and 78% not paying off their credit card, I decided to make a video about it. Because what the f*** America? Banks in general are known for immoral actions and screwing people over. However, how is it possible that people are spending so much money that they don't have? You're watching Follow the Money, with today's topic, the psychology behind credit cards. Credit card companies spend tens of millions of dollars each year on advertisement. Advertising with a better miles reward system or higher cashback earnings. American Express, Capital One and Chase are some of the biggest names out there. Just like social media apps like Facebook and Instagram, these credit card companies spend millions of dollars on psychologists to study human behavior, getting people to spend more time on their app or spending more money using a credit card, which leads to more revenue because of transaction fees and late payment costs. Studies have shown that on average, people spend 12 to 20% more when using a credit card instead of cash. Hundreds of millions of people each day spending that much more leads to tens of billions of dollars more revenue each year. Here are 3 reasons you spend more with a credit card. The pain centers of the brain don't get activated at all. When you hand over the bills to another person, you feel the pain of losing money. You count the money. You feel the weight of the coins and die a little inside when handing it over. When using a credit card, you don't feel this pain at all. This has 3 main reasons. Reason 1 is because there's a certain amount of time between your purchase and when you have to pay the credit card bill. Reason 2 is that a customer never equates a credit card bill with one particular purchase. And reason 3 is that all a credit card shows is a digit. It's just a number that has no physical value. Convenience. The easier it is to make a purchase, the more purchases you will get. Shopping online has become so easy. Amazon, PayPal and Google are all using a fast checkout system. Just click the express checkout button and you purchase the item without a second thought. 27% abandon their shopping cart because of a tedious checkout process. So having a fast checkout system where they already know your address and credit card information would lead to more purchases and making impulse purchases skyrocket. The same goes for your local store or a vending machine. Just put your credit card next to the payment device and a purchase is done. All super convenient. The last ones are reward programs. The 2 main reward systems are Flying Miles and the Cashback program. Each purchase you make, you consciously or unconsciously calculate how many flying miles you will receive or how much you will save with a 2% cashback. People with credit card reward programs overspend way more than 12 to 20% when using a credit card, all in the good name of a reward. Fun facts: 90% of fly miles never get used. And in what type of world is a $2,000 cashback after spending $100,000 a good economic decision? You will absolutely be overspending on your average order because your brain believes the couple of miles or cents are worth it. It's a justification of your own mind, which is extremely hard to fight against. These credit card companies are the best marketers out there and have you by the balls. It all comes down to credit card users focus more on benefits than costs, making fast and stupid decisions purely based on your emotional part of the brain, which leads to overspending and losing a lot of money you could have invested. Trying to say you are able to beat the credit card companies at their own game is like saying you don't have a spending problem, which you obviously do. But feel free to discuss this topic in the comment section down below, completely denying all the studies which have been done.
Follow the money.
Money, 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 money.
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 Follow the money.
Money, money.